Hi, beloveds. One thing I've noticed in my career consulting practice is that those I'm working with who become successful are never the ones who consider themselves victims. Society might consider them so objectively, consider them victims, but in their own minds, they are not victims. They are survivors. They take responsibility for their progress, and they don't blame others or circumstances for any inability to do or be something. I've seen this progress in beautiful ways, and this mindset really makes a big difference. It's amazing. And I've also worked with clients who, they have this victim mentality. They never get as far or get to their goals as fast as those who identify as survivors. Survivors determined to get to thrivers. So in short, your mentality matters. It absolutely does. The first step is awareness. Be honest with yourself about your mindset. If you identify as a victim, how is that serving you? How is that working for you? Is that working well? If not, you might want to change your mindset. If your mindset is not serving you, change it. When you change your negative mindset into a positive one, you will indeed start to get different results. So, DM me or send me an email if you'd like more support. I am happy to help. Take care, beloveds. Bye-bye.